Welcome, thank you for viewing. This is a one-bedroom apartment in Crown Heights, Brooklyn on Washington Avenue, right across from the Brooklyn Botanic Garden, which is right next to Prospect Park. It's a 6th floor unit in an elevator building. Great closet space. It's the front hall closet. We'll walk in. The space overall in this apartment is excellent, actually. This is the living room. You get excellent natural light here. Large windows throughout the apartment. Every room has windows. Let's take a look at the kitchen. It's a great storage space here. You have this massive shelf, great cabinet space and counter space, stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher right here. It's an eat-in kitchen, actually. You can put a small table in here. Let's head down the hallway. There's another common closet right here, another walk-in. Here's the bedroom. This bedroom is large enough to fit a king-size bed comfortably with furniture. You can actually get a Grand King or California King in here. And here's another closet. Yes, another walk-in. The apartment is being painted, hence the equipment, the ladder, and so forth that you see. Just means that it'll be freshly fixed up and ready for your move-in. Last, we'll take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom has a nice vanity there. And it's got a tub. Some places only have a stand-up shower, so it's nice to have a tub and a window, just like every other room in this apartment. So, thanks for viewing. Have a great one.